Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix slow loading folders and files green loading bar in Windows 11, 10. Click three dots, click Options, click View tab. Click Reset Folders. Check Launch Folder Windows in a separate process, click Apply, click OK. Now you can try to open folder. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.